Mount Dora is in Lake County, Florida, and is only 30 miles from the center of the Villages. If you're visiting Central Florida, put Mount Dora on your list of places to see. It's a small town overlooking Lake Dora with many restaurants and shops. One attraction is to take the Rusty Anchor Canal boat ride, which we show in this video. It lasts about 2 hours and is narrated by experienced local guides. You'll see many birds native to Florida and even a few alligators. Hope you enjoy this video.
Go to the front of the boat, take pictures. Matter of fact, when we get into the canal, I highly encourage it to go up front. You will not be in my way because in the canal I do take my naps at times. So. Honestly though, you're not going to be in my way at all. You'll see about 800 boats just like that on display. They come from all over the world. Huge event. The white head. There it goes. Oh my show you here in the canal is right in front of the gazebo. On the pylon, that is our stationary pelican. That bird has been there for about 10 years, hasn't moved.
Guess he's fake.
First portion of the Dora Canal is going to be residential. You're going to have private homes on the left, mobile home parks on the right that were put in here in the 60s and 70s. You've got single wide mobile homes in here, 2-bedroom, 1 bath. I've seen them go for $1,000 up to about 10. Then you pay a lot rent, $375 a month, includes your water, your sewer, your trash pickup, and I like to call that retirement on a budget. Average depth of the Dora Canal, 5.5 to 6 feet. Just to let you know how much water we had in here last summer. In June, we were running the boat in here in 3 foot of water. It rained every day last year. Hurricane Irma, she came by, she iced the cake. We had 9 foot of water in here with a whitewater rapid. Now guys, I will tell you that once Henry Ford did that, that was the very first automotive recall in the history of our nation because people were getting bit by a tiny bug called a chigger. And not only that, because the Spanish moss is an air plant, once they stuffed the Model T seat cushions with it, it continued to grow and pop the seat cushions. So that didn't go over very well.
Got one right here.
That's why I'm going here. There's an alligator right here on the shoreline.
Two? Was it two?
Nice one, big one. You see?
Ooh, baby. Look at there. See, you'll bark too much, I'm going to feed you. Put you in space.
Not that little.
Oh, sorry. No, that's quite all right. Right there, Ron. That'd be right there. Like right there.
Yeah. Seen it. I actually have a picture with those on this. Here in Mount Dora. Yeah, he had a.
We were going to go home and rent the Johnny Weissmuller original Tarzan.
They had no forwarding address. That means we got it.
search the shoreline. We'll stay right in the area because they don't want to leave the country, so they know the area.